In this video, we will take a look at how you can quickly set up and start using Google Classroom with your students. So, what is Google Classroom? If you're an avid user of Google Drive, then Google Classroom is the tool you've been waiting for. Google Classroom is a file management system that allows you to create a live discussion board for posting announcements, sharing assignments, and automatically organizing those assignments within Drive folders. Classroom gives you the power to assign Google Docs and automatically create a copy for each student. Students can then turn in the work directly from the doc without having to share the file back to you. You can also set due dates for assignments that allow you as a teacher to better manage which students have not yet completed their work. To sign into Google Classroom, open up the Chrome web browser on your desktop. Type classroom.google.com in your Omnibox and sign up as a teacher. From the Welcome screen, navigate to the top right corner to join an existing class or create a new one. I'll click on Create, and it prompts me to choose a class name and a section. Click Create. I've just created my first class in Google Classroom. The homepage of this class tells me a few different things. You can see I'm brought to my stream where I can post my announcements and assignments. If I choose to post an announcement saying, "Welcome to first semester," I can upload a file to attach a Google Drive item, add a YouTube video, or attach a link. Every announcement or assignment you draft is saved automatically, which gives you the ability to save posts and release them to the class at the desired time. The stream also shows me upcoming assignments. I have the option to show deleted items of my stream, and it also presents me with my class code to reset my code or disable the code once all of my students are active in the class. In the Students section of my class, I can invite my students by clicking my contacts and choosing Directory. This lists every person who is enabled within the Revis domain. I'll select the desired students and click Invite down at the bottom. An email is sent to the user for them to accept the invitation to the class. When the students are active, you have a few options as to what they are able to do in the classroom. Under Students can post and comment, I can choose to allow students to only comment on posts I've shared, or only I as a teacher can post or comment within the stream. Again, I have my class code where I can reset or disable. And if I choose to select my student under the Actions button, I can choose to remove the student, email the student directly from Classroom, or mute the student on the stream. The About tab is pretty basic and gives you the option to title your class, give it a description. You can add where the class meets or what room number you're in. It shows you the Google Drive folder that was created for this class, and a new feature that allows you to invite another teacher to the class so that co-teaching in Google Classroom is just as easy. Just a few last items. The Menu tab in the top left corner will take you to your home page, which will list all of your classes if you choose to have more than one. And from the home page, I can rename my class or archive my class. I can also jump directly to my folder in Google Drive. From my menu button, I can jump into any of my classes from the menu bar, and down at the bottom in my settings, I can change my profile picture, I have access to my Google account settings, and I can choose to turn on or off email notifications from my classroom. Getting set up with Google Classroom is just the first of many steps that will allow you to better communicate and collaborate with your students and colleagues computing in the cloud. Please feel free to email me at rribcheck@d220.org if you have any questions or would like help setting this up.